most welcome this edition. We are going to go through this work. So let us read the question together. Study the figure below and use it to answer questions that follow. So this is the figure we have. And I think we can identify what it is. It's a triangle. And we know how angles that are found inside the polygon are called interior angles, and angles that are found outside the polygon are called exterior angles. And according to us, we have two interior angles inside this polygon. Then we have one exterior angle. If we all remember the property here that we are going to use to find the value of x, as our part A states, we are going to say the sum of two interior angles equals one opposite exterior angle. So this is what is going to help us in finding the value of x. It is simply the sum of two interior angles equals to one opposite exterior angle. Once you have that in mind, you will always be able to do questions like this. So can we now find the value of x? Interior angles are this and this. They said they are sum. Sum is a result of addition. So we are simply going to add this and equate this. So can we start? Shall we say x minus 20 degrees plus x plus 30 degrees will give us x plus 30 degrees.
80 degrees.
Sorry, 80. This is 80 degrees. Thank you for that correction. Plus 80 degrees. And then at this point you can see we have x here, we have x there. We have this 20 negative, then this is a positive. We are going to bring them together. So we shall have x plus x. And then negative 20 and then positive 30. According to the order of operation of numbers, according to the order, what is that order? It is BODMAS, which stands for brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. You see that addition is coming before subtraction. So we have to start with addition. Plus 30 degrees minus 20 degrees. This will give us x plus 80 degrees. Then the next point, next step, we are going to write this expression in short from here to here. We are going to write it in short. How do we write it in short? We operate on this. We add x plus x, then here we subtract. And so if we add x plus x, we get 2x. So right here, 2x. Then 30 minus 20 will give us 10. Right there, plus 10. This is equal to x plus 80 degrees. Then now at this point, we are now going to collect like terms again. So at this point, this x will move there. When this x is a negative on the right hand side, when it crosses the equal sign to come to the left hand side, the negative will become the positive will become a negative. In other words, the inverse, its additive inverse is negative. So then 10, we shall take it there. And the additive inverse of positive 10 is negative 10. So when 10 goes through this equal sign to the right hand side, it will become a negative. So what is next? We shall write here 2x minus x. Then on this side, we shall have 80 degrees minus 10 degrees. Remember to put there the units. You must always have their degrees. You must always show these arrows. You must always show the arrows. If you are not going to show the arrows, then you must show how x is moving to the left and how 10 is going to the right hand side. Then what are we left with? 2x minus x will give us x. This is equal to 70 degrees, and we underline our answer. And that is the correct value of x. We have found the value of x. Part B. Part B says, find the size of angle PRQ. So we come back to our diagram. This is the diagram. Can we identify the angle PRQ? PRQ. So this is the angle we want. This is the angle we want to find. But according to our diagram, we are not given anything for that angle. So what do? We need to first find the value of this. If we extract out this part, if I extract out this part, that circled part here, I will draw it here, and we shall have something like this. X plus 80 degrees. So this is the angle we want. I can call it angle A. So I call that one angle A. So how are we going to get angle A? Angle A is what we want. It is the angle PRQ. As you can observe, according to our diagram, we already know the value of x here as 70. So we can first get that angle. We shall say x plus 80 degrees. Then we substitute this 70. This is 70 degrees plus 80 degrees, giving us 150 degrees. So this angle is 150 degrees. You realize that this is a straight line, and angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So if we add this angle plus this one, we shall get 180. So we are going to form an equation. We shall say A plus 150 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is they are angles on a straight line. Next point, take 150 there. How will 150 move there? 150 on the left hand side is a positive. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes a negative. So we shall have A plus 150 degrees minus 150 degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. 150 minus 150 will leave us with nothing. So we are left with plus A. So we have there A is equal to, when we subtract 150 from 180, we get 30 degrees. So right there you are 30 degrees. But remember, we were not given A. A, we have just formulated it. So come back and say angle PRQ is equal to 30 degrees. And that is our answer.